kilograms. Her three measurements is 31, 24, 25 inch. She's a student of year 11 at Calista College.
ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្ញុំឈ្មោះសុភា Hello everybody and good evening. My name is Sophia Van and I attend the school Calista College, which is right by the corner over there. One of my passions include the performing arts and sports, as they have helped shape me into the person I am today. You see, in the future, I aspire to become a paramedic in the future because I want to make a difference in other people's lives, not just because of the money, but because I genuinely feel like helping others is my goal. And as a member of the Khmer community, I carry the values of strength and confidence within me. I am honored here. Oh my God. I am honored to be here today, and I thank you all so much for coming. Have a good night.
បាទសូមអរគុណដល់បញ្ហាទី1បាទចំពោះភាពក្លាហានបាទ
Thank you, Sophie. And I also know that she works at McDonald's and she likes papaya salad. Welcome our second contestant, Bon Liana Sot.
បាទសូមស្វាគមន៍ទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទកញ្ញាមានកម្ពស់ 1.60 m ទម្ងន់ 56 គីឡូ ទំហំទាំង3គឺ 33 26 37 កញ្ញាសប្តាហ៍ថ្ងៃនេះរៀននៅសាកលវិទ្យាល័យ RMIT ផ្នែក Interior Design និង Architecture មុខម្ហូបដែលកញ្ញាពេញចិត្តគឺទាក់ទងទៅនឹងម្ហូបខ្មែរជាមួយនឹងបង្ហាញខ្មែរគ្រប់ប្រភេទបាទសូមស្វាគមន៍ទាំងអស់គ្នា
She is 160 centimeters, 56 kilograms. Her three measurement is 33, 26, 37.
ចា៎ជំរាបសួរពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នានាងខ្ញុំឈ្មោះសុតប៊ុនលីអាណាបច្ចុប្បន្ននេះនាងខ្ញុំបានរៀនបញ្ចប់ការសិក្សាបរិញ្ញាបត្ររងផ្នែករៀបខាងក្នុងផ្ទះហើយនាងខ្ញុំចង់រៀនបន្តពីសិល្បៈនៃការច្នៃម៉ូដសម្រាប់ចំណែកឯពេលទំនេរនាងខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តគូរគំនូរនិងរៀនភាសាផ្សេងៗចា៎សូមអរគុណ Hello everyone, so my name is Bonliana Soth and I've currently finished my uni course of interior design and architecture and I would love to study anything design and art related. As for my free time, I love to learn new languages and I love to draw. Thank you very much.
Now, please welcome our third contestant, Kim Soo Jin.
បាទសូមស្វាគមន៍ទៅដល់បេក្ខនារីទី3គឺកញ្ញាគឹមសុជាកញ្ញាមានកម្ពស់ 1.64 m ទម្ងន់ 43 គីឡូក្រាមបាទទំហំទាំង3គឺ 31 25 31 បាទសប្តាហ៍ថ្ងៃកញ្ញាប្រកបមុខរបរនៅក្នុងបាទហាងលូកាបាទមុខម្ហូបដែលកញ្ញាចូលចិត្តជាងគេគឺ steak បាទសូមស្វាគមន៍
She is 164 centimeters, 43 kilograms. Her three measurements is 31, 25, 31. She works at flower shop and the food that she likes is steak.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kim Soo Chia. Thank you so much for coming. I was born in a small town called Monrose in Battambang. Currently, I am working as a florist, but in my free time, I love to cook and bake. I love desserts. I have such a sweet tooth for them. Other passions I have are in photography and traveling. I love to go on trips with my mom and my family. And a fun fact about me is that I'm the youngest in my family and I'm the tallest among my sisters. Jazz some Okon.
ជើងកែងទៅកាន់ពុក
Now, please welcome our fourth contestant, Wattay Ratana Chai.
បាទសូមស្វាគមន៍ទៅដល់បេក្ខនារីទី4គឺកញ្ញាវត្តៃរតនាឆាយកញ្ញាមានកម្ពស់ 1.70 m ទម្ងន់ 45 គីឡូក្រាមទំហំទាំង3គឺ 32.5 26 និង 34 កម្រិតវប្បធម៌កញ្ញាសិក្សា Diploma of Community Service and ហើយរដ្ឋថ្ងៃនេះកំពុងតែធ្វើការជា Personal Care Assistant ម្ហូបដែលកញ្ញាចូលចិត្តជាងគេគឺម្ហូបសម្លម្ជូរគ្រឿងបាទសូមអរគុណ
She is 170 centimeters, 45 kilograms. Her street measurement is 32.5, 26 and 34. She has Diploma of Community Service and she works as personal care. Her favorite food is samlong machukurian.
សូមជម្រាបសួរពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនដែលបានចូលរួមនៅថ្ងៃនេះនាងខ្ញុំឈ្មោះឆាយរតនាវតីសប្តាហ៍ថ្ងៃជាសិស្សរៀននៅសាលា Central Australian College ផ្នែកកិច្ចការងារសង្គមជាបេតំណែនាងខ្ញុំជឿចិត្តស្ដាប់បទចម្រៀងចំណាយពេលជាមួយគ្រួសារក៏ដូចជាមើលកីឡាបាល់ទាត់នៅពេលអនាគតនាងខ្ញុំចង់ក្លាយជាពលិនវិទ្យាការសូមអរគុណ
Welcome our fifth contestant, Isabel Coy.
បាទសូមស្វាគមន៍ទៅដល់បេក្ខនារីទី5គឺកញ្ញា Isabel Coy កញ្ញាមានកម្ពស់ 1.54 m ទម្ងន់ 43 គីឡូក្រាម 1.64 m ទម្ងន់ 51 គីឡូក្រាមទំហំទាំង3គឺ 32 26 ដុល្លារនិង 35 សប្តាហ៍ថ្ងៃកញ្ញាជាសិស្សថ្នាក់ទី8នៃសាលា Mount Riley បាទសូមស្វាគមន៍
Isabel has 164 centimeters, 51 kilograms. Her street measurements is 32, 26 and a half, 35. She's a student year 8 at Mount Ridley, and the food that she likes is Nong Banjok.
ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា My name is Isabel and it is truly an honor to be representing Cambodia tonight. One of my dreams is to travel the world, to experience, learn and explore different cultures while proudly sharing the beauty of Cambodia with everyone that I meet. In the future, I hope to become a dentist so I can help people smile with confidence. I also hope to inspire other people to dream big and embrace their culture with pride. Lastly, I would like to thank you all for being here tonight. Thank you. Okon Chan.
បេការនេះជាអរគុណច្រើនចុងក្រោយ
Now, please welcome our